In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect AirPods to your Samsung Galaxy A24. So first, open the Settings app, and in Settings, select Connections. Next, tap on Bluetooth, and then make sure Bluetooth is turned on. So once Bluetooth is turned on, enter your AirPods into pairing mode. And once your AirPods are in pairing mode, you can scan for nearby devices so that you can look for your AirPods. And once you've found your AirPods, you can just tap on them like that to connect. And then you'll hear a small sound, meaning that your AirPods are now connected to your device. So that this means when you play a song on Spotify, you can now play them via your AirPods. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.